Hi, my name is Dr. John Heary, and today we're going to be talking about intermittent fasting. There's some benefits of intermittent fasting that I want to share with you guys today. It's currently one of the most, I'd say, one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. And besides, helping with weight loss, intermittent fasting has, many other additional health benefits that I want to share in this video. Um, by definition, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves regular, short-term fasts or periods of minimal or no food consumption. Intermittent fasting is, an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. And probably the most common way that intermittent fasting is performed is that you start your eating at noon, and then your last meal is at 8 p.m. So you're technically fasting for 16 hours every day, and you're restricting your eating to an 8-hour eating window. And I'd say that's probably the most popular form of intermittent fasting. It's known as the 16-8 method. Um, I want to go over some evidence-based or research-based health benefits of intermittent fasting. Um, there's 8 of them that I want to touch on today. There's a significant positive impact on insulin levels and human growth hormone levels, HGH. So while intermittent fasting has been found to decrease insulin levels, human growth hormone will increase, and this is going to facilitate fat burning, and in turn, it has a positive impact on reversing insulin resistance. Studies indicate that fasting can help boost your HGH levels. One of the studies that I looked at found that after a 3-day fast, your growth hormone levels increased by more than 300%. And get this, a week later, they go up by a whopping 1,250%. Now, intermittent fasting has also been effective in helping lose weight, but even more important is losing visceral fat. And visceral fat is the harmful fat in the abdominal cavity that causes disease. Short-term fasting, it's actually going to increase your metabolic rate, helping you burn even more calories. And there's several studies that show that intermittent fasting may enhance the body's resistance to oxidative stress. Intermittent fasting's also been found to be effective in reducing inflammation. There were researchers at Mount Sinai. They found that fasting reduced inflammation and improves chronic inflammatory diseases without affecting the immune system's response to acute infections. Intermittent fasting has also been found to be beneficial for heart health. Some of the research and some of the studies show that it does help to lower your triglyceride levels, your LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and also helps to lower blood pressure as well. Um, there have been some animal studies that have been done, and they indicate that intermittent fasting or diets that mimic fasting may also help prevent cancer. Intermittent fasting, it does show promise that it also improves brain health. There's a strong evidence that forms of intermittent fasting could delay the onset and progression of Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease, as some of the animal models have shown. In animal studies, intermittent fasting has been shown to increase longevity, improve cognitive function, and reduce brain plaque, as compared with animals fed, a regular diet. And some of that comes out from Dr. Anderson out of Tucson. One of the most exciting applications of intermittent fasting may be its ability to extend one's lifespan. In the one study, there are researchers that zeroed in on how fasting impacts lifespan, and about 2,000 people who had undergone a cardiac catheterization procedure were followed for an average of 4.4 years, including it was like just under 390 routine fasters who had been fasting regularly for at least 5 years. And after they adjusted for different factors, researchers discovered that the routine fasters, they had a 45% lower mortality rate than the non-fasters during the follow-up period. So there's definitely a lot of evidence, a lot of research out there regarding fasting and all its health benefits. Definitely something that you may want to consider adding into your nutritional routine. All right, well, I hope that helps. You guys have a great day, and I will look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye now.